Alright, on the road again, back for another video. The last one, the first one that I did that I posted of like these kind of fucking sporadic day in the life videos, it didn't get that many views, but the comments seemed reasonably positive, and that they were helping the people that were watching it, so we'll keep doing them. Today I'm off to finish off the Benchtops that we started the other day, just for reference. It's Saturday morning. Yeah, so we'll go finish them off, then we'll install them. It's a bit of a prick for an install. He wants to waterfall the edge, and I'm not expecting his floor to be level, so that'll be a little bit finicky, but it should make for somewhat interesting viewing, because it might help someone. After that, I might, maybe young bloke Bo wants to hang out and do something, so we'll pick him up and then we might go do something down at the yard. Haven't figured out what yet. We might head back up Three Bridges. But yeah, that's the game plan for today. So getting this Benchtop in will be great. It's the last part. I did it in stages for him, but I couldn't invoice until the job's done, so now we'll actually complete it, get me invoiced in and get paid for it, which would be nice. And then, yeah, we had a little order for some poster rail fence come through yesterday, so I'm contemplating whether to take logs up to where the mill is at the minute, and cut up there, or whether to bring the logs, bring the mill back to the yard. So that might be tomorrow's job. And then yeah, the sooner I get that one done the better, because I've got to do some mortising on it as well. And we've also got two 150 by 150 6.5 metre posts to cut this weekend too, so I'll bring you along, we'll see how we go. I'll try and get more consistent with posting on YouTube. Like I had a bit of a kind of 3-week gap there, and it wasn't because I didn't want to make videos or anything like that, I just didn't think it'd be that interesting. So alright, if you still find it interesting, like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of shit, and we'll keep going. Just got to this factory to fucking do these Benchtops. I'm gonna edit up some fucking Instagram reels for the Cosjack page, and then hopefully old mate gets here soon. We can get these sanded up and get on the road. I'll keep you up to date. This is a big drum sander. Hit it with like 40 grit first, then 80, and then I'll take it on site and sand it to 120. So we'll do the jack first, then we'll flip flip it back over and do the side that I've putty. And then hopefully I don't have to do any putty on site. Not much of it anyway. That's sanded and loaded. Customer know we're on the way. So I just got to this job for the install. I gotta check whether I can film or not, so just keep it quiet for a minute. I need to set myself up some form of a workbench thing, I think. So first up on this job is to square the ends off using the big track saw. Get that squared. We'll trim each side even, because I don't want to have like that much of a fresh board or fucking halve it up each side. Then I'll probably measure it, miter it. I'm going to tape up where I'm cutting so I don't get any splinters off it. We're also going to run the vacuum today as well. Ooh, that's a bit bowy. Why is that bowy? That is. That'll be that crack there. So I have to do something with that. currently waiting for the customer to come make a decision for me. So again, opportunity to work. Don't just sit on your phone. I'll get another 2 quotes done now. So just keep an iPad or a computer with you, even you can do it on your phone. And just try and keep punching out as much as you can. So that's it for today. I didn't really finish off filming the Benchtop install because I kind of want to wait until that bloke's house is done, because it looks fucking incredible. So you kind of got a sneak peek at his Benchtop, but yeah, the rest of it I'm kind of leaving for maybe a reveal video later on. But yeah, it's fucking 4 o'clock now on Saturday Arvo, so I'm gonna go hang out with the kids, spend some time with them, and tomorrow I'll probably go cut some wood. So, yeah.